Okay, Mr. Spina, we're going to go through everything we've done on Monday and Tuesday so we could send this out as in a video so anybody that needs help can go back and look, and any parent that wants to see it can come back and check it. So on Monday, we went through our whole group lesson. A lot of the information and vocabulary words are here in your notebook under 4-12 in the what to do. Here are our definitions we worked on. Here are the pages in the book to look on. The green means that's what we did in class together, our whole group lesson. So if you weren't here, review these pages. Yesterday's ELA assignment was to start the iReady teacher assigned close read and try to get it halfway done. 25 to 35 minutes yesterday would have been great. In math, our whole group lesson was the PowerPoint that we have a copy of if anybody needs. Check out these pages in your book. If you missed the lesson, it talks about the same thing. Let's see, science, we checked out these pages. And then you had in your science notebook, your 5 practice questions to work on. In your math notebook, there were the questions that we did together in class to review. So that was Monday. So now let's take a look at today's schedule. We did our whole group lesson again in green. Here's the lesson, the part we did together. Everybody should be done with that, but if you missed it, you can go back and look at 386 and 387 in that book to figure it out. We have practice questions for ELA for our assignment today. This date is wrong. This should say 413, but when you go to your notebook, it's only under 413. There is no 412, so it's under 413. You can find it there. Put your questions, read the little passage, answer the 4 questions. Read the passage, answer the 4 questions. Then you go to Canvas and put your answers in. It will tell you if you got a question wrong. You can take 3 tries on the Canvas assignment. So if you see you got number 4 wrong, you go back and look at number 4 and then try to get the right answer. If you get it wrong again, then you've got only 2 choices left. So I guess that's Mr. Speen and I's way of saying if you don't get all the points on the language arts assignment from today, you're not trying, because we're not giving you the answers, but we keep telling you you're wrong until you can figure out what it is. So make sure you have all the points for that. Keep working on your iReady. The close read has to be done this week, the teacher assigned close read. We told them you probably don't have much time to work on this today. You'll have more time tomorrow and the next day. But if you're bored today, you can work on that. Remember, our goal is to achieve 3,000 lessons by the end of the week. It's on the schedule every day. Right now, about only half the kids in here are logging in and doing any of it. Math, once again, the PowerPoint, if you need a copy, we can send it. The math pages are listed here, and you can look at those pages on 539 and 540.
Now, Mr. Conklin, on that, what I did,
on those problems were assigned. Remember, you have to do all those problems on the page to practice.
That is true. And what I did was I literally put a copy of 539 in everyone's notebook.
So if you go in your math notebook, you will find that page. If you don't have the book, it's in there. It's not due. You don't have to turn it in anywhere, but we're going to talk about it and go over it tomorrow, and you have to have it with you. There's nowhere to turn it in. It's not for points. It's for have it done tomorrow so we can talk about it. So that doesn't mean it's optional, but it means you're not turning it in anywhere to us. Science, we just talked on page 542 and 544 that you guys have a quick assignment to do in science today. Plus you have your review questions to work on this afternoon. And last thing, today's homework is to watch the Math Monthly Review video that we did back on March 3rd for monthly 2. On Friday, we have monthly number 5, the 5th math check to check our progress throughout the year. This 5th math check covers everything for the whole year we've taught. So yesterday we reviewed the first one. Today's homework is the second one. Tomorrow's homework will be the third one. Thursday's homework will be the fourth one. And then on Friday, we'll take the test. So if you're doing your homework, you're going to be overly prepared for our Math Monthly test on Friday. And remember, you guys all have your goals, and no one's goal is 100%. Everyone's goal is totally doable and doable for them because remember, it's a challenging test. So that is everything to work on for Monday and Tuesday. And keep preparing. If you want to snoop ahead on the monthly reviews, if you go to our YouTube page and you type in you write in Sponklin monthly review, All 4 of the review videos will pop up in advance if you want to check out any of them. Mr. Spina, anything else for this video of what to do over Monday and Tuesday?
Now, just remember, we need you to keep on participating throughout the week. That's very important. Make sure you do the science that you were assigned extra with that. The more you do, the better you're going to do. And make sure you look at those videos on the Math Monthly. That is so important. You can look at them more than once. Just try working them out. You'll be prepared. And that's it.
Don't get crazy and go ahead unless you're really, really ahead, because do today's. Don't go do number 4 before you do number 2. Go right in order
Do
with
them in
it.
order.
All right.